Welcome to another episode in the CaraCruiser series. Well, the day has come, I think, for the new trailer. About 100 miles to go to Southampton, maybe a bit less. And I am equal measures of scared and excited. Mostly because I'm worried that this trailer's not going to make it. It's got some rust, it's got some old bearings, I have greased them. It's got some old tyres, they've got tread but they're starting to crack. Keep your fingers crossed. When we get to Southampton we're going to meet Ross at Extreme Trailers. Hopefully we're going to lift the boat up and put it onto its new trailer. I heard a rumble then, got scared. I think it's just the road surface. Right, I'll check in a bit. First quick checkup. We are perilously close now, 0.2 of a mile.
Your destination is on the left.
Watching me just collect a trailer would have been boring, so whilst some of the team were completing the build, I was lucky enough to have a tour of the facility, and Ross talked me through some of the points of interest. What you're about to see are some small areas of a big factory because of the intellectual property and security. But it highlights just some of the reasons I chose Extreme Trailers, as well as their enthusiasm and can-do attitude to making a trailer for such an unconventional project.
This is our British built lathe cutter we bought a few years ago. Here we're running 6mm sheet. We cut up to 16mm of mild steel. So we're running at the moment, we're running mud guard brackets. There's 250 of them. It's going to take about 2.5 hours to run. Once the parts have been laser cut on the laser machine, it's then come into this area here. These are one of the things that we're really proud of because this eliminates any welding. Traditionally, you'd weld a piece of 90 by 6 and 50 by 6 together for the winch post, put an upright on, welded of course. Not here, we just laser cut the shape and then fold it. So much stronger, much cleaner and better for the environment. One of the other things we're really proud of that we can make on the laser cutter is this keel roller bracket. We do it in two sizes, small 125mm and a 200mm. Traditionally you'd have to buy in the strip, cut it, punch the hole then fold it. Here we can laser cut the shape, laser cut the hole and then just fold it. But this enables us to get these nice round clean edges. We then can laser cut to this side here with all the holes, so where it needs to be adjustable in height, weld it at the front like that. This enables us to get the mudguard bracket as low as possible, plus it looks cool as well. This is our first injection moulding machine. We've owned the roller mould since its creation. We bought it in-house in 2017. So this is the tool here. It's a two-part process. First part is the inner, this thing here. This is a fully automatic process, so no labour required. The second process is the outer. You pop this to here and he gets this. Whilst the operator is making the outer roller, he also assembles it onto our own aluminium wing bracket, which is our own design, just made down the road. Really proud of that one. So this is one of our other injection moulding machines. This makes a lot of the other parts on our trailers. One of them is our large 200mm non-marking keel roller. This is being developed to have a solid inner in, like a bearing, to enable the weight to be put down and it to actually roll, unlike other designs which use just plastic or rubber. It also makes other furniture like the winch post number at the front. We do the ears as well on here, and of course you can have it in any colour you like. Here we have the entire range that we currently offer on our injection moulding facility. So we have our winch post snubber, we have our winch post V, we have the ears that go on either side of them. Here we have the large 200mm keel roller, which I showed you earlier. You can fit casters on those, again, which we make ourselves, and then obviously our wobble roller. So we can't really offer them 6 colours. However, we're now introducing some other models, which you'll see a new colour later on. Pink has been surprisingly popular. To kind of finish it off nicely, we also colour match the winch straps. We don't make these ourselves yet. These are made in the UK, CE approved, so you can have any colour you like: blue, orange, red, green. Our trailers can be supplied with either steel wheels or we can supply alloy wheels. Our alloy wheels are unique to us. They're diamond cut. We offer a 10-inch low profile, very popular on a 1300 double jet ski trailer. We offer a 10-inch balloon tyre, so really suitable for kind of all-terrain launching and recovery. And then we offer on our brake trailer range 2 types of 13-inch wheel. So this is our standard 48mm jockey wheel we fit on most of our unbraked. This heavy-duty 42mm jockey wheel we fit on our single axle braked trailers. This jockey wheel here, this one, very proud of this one. We've designed this ourselves. So this is typically for the PWC market. And then lastly we have the 48mm serrated jockey wheel, which you fit on all of our twin axle trailers. We also manufacture stainless steel trailers. When we upgraded our laser cutter, not only was it twice as fast with half the running cost, it also had increased capabilities. It enabled us to cut stainless steel up to 10mm thick. So we're able to replicate our core galvanised steel range in stainless steel. This here is our extremely popular, no pun intended, our 750 jet ski in stainless steel. But it's not just stainless steel, it's 316 marine grade stainless steel. It's not just the chassis that's stainless steel though, it's all the U-bolts, the fixings. Again, we've got our own wing bracket, but not the aluminium one that you've seen. This is actually a stainless steel wing bracket that we've designed and manufactured ourselves. Of course, you can have it in any colour you like. All our stainless steel trailers, they come as standard with our unique alloy wheel. Very proud of this product.
It's so refreshing to see how proud Ross is of what he and the team have achieved, and also very satisfying for me to see every stage of the trailer being made. Whilst we'd been doing this, the CaraCruiser was being lowered onto the trailer for the first time to make adjustments to the rollers and make it fit perfectly. Ross then walked me through the finished item.
We fit as standard a Dutton Langston 2-speed winch on all our trailers, 1500 kilos and up. So you've got a braking system, so you can launch the boat and just ease down the strap there to slow it down. But you've got these two functionalities, 10:1 and 4:1 ratio. This is a removable winch handle.
Okay.
Please don't have it on during transport or leave it in a boatyard.
Yeah.
Best business we have is selling these aftermarket. We sell 3 or 4 a day.
Oh.
Right, so the trailer has 2 sets of tie down points which are adjustable in position. As you can see, they're laser cut on our British built laser cutter I might have shown you earlier. So they're adjustable position, but we have put them in the correct position for you. So we put a ratchet strap round through there, secure it down, and then you've got the ones at the back for you as well.
Yeah.
Alright, you've got a flushing system as standard for the brakes.
Okay, how's that work?
So
where do I connect?
A little hose attachment, and this flushes the brakes out after water submersion. So all our brake trailers, they come as standard with a lock. Best way of doing it is to lower the vehicle, the trailer down, onto the vehicle, and it will lock in like so. Okay, this is for the lock, and then to test it's on, you raise the back of the vehicle up like so.
Oh, yeah.
So we know it's on there, so it's secure. There we go.
Awesome.
So that's all good. And then go as far out as you like, really, but this would be sufficient. Good mood. So today, after the experience that we've had, so all successful. Cool. What are you thinking? A bit overwhelmed?
Yeah, it's mind blowing. So it's just after lunch and time to hit the road. The trailer tows so well. It's a different experience towing now.
It's lovely. What's that thing?
See, it's on both sides, so when you drive it onto the trailer, it's guided in. Thanks to everyone at Extreme Trailers for your hospitality and for making this excellent trailer. And now we can get the engine fitted. As always, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.
I can't remember where I put my coffee.